Oh, there's a lot of stuff over there.
Yes.
Is there a leave-in conditioner?
Yes. Which one you like?
I don't know. I don't want any more. I don't want any more to burn my eyes. I'm trying to get.
Oh no, that's the shampoo. That's the
not
Rosemary Carbon.
Yes, I love it, but it's like, okay.
You gotta be careful in the shower washing your hair with that.
No.
You gotta just put your head back.
And I was like, well, that's not gonna work.
Yeah. You gotta just kind of hold your head back. Okay, so what are we doing to your hair today?
We're just you're gonna do the same style as before.
Oh, those comb twists.
That lasted 30 days.
Okay, so we kept the twist in last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, last you that long?
Yep.
Okay. Alrighty, your color still look good. We're gonna do it next time.
Yeah.
Alrighty, you can go back to the shampoo bowl. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mahogany James, and my salon is located in Atlanta, Georgia. So during my client's consultation, my client let me know that her last style, which was comb twist, lasted her for about 30 days. Which is exactly what we're aiming for today because my client loves low maintenance styles. So she will be getting the comb twist again. And when you're wearing a long-term protective styles like comb twist, the foundation is everything. And that starts right here at the shampoo bowl. I always go in with a strategic cleanse, especially for clients who need their styles to last. So I'm starting off with the Deep Cleansing Shampoo, and this step is all about removing buildup, any oils, products, or environmental debris that can sit on the scalp and the hair over time. If you skip this step, your style will not last as long and your scalp health can suffer. The Deep Cleansing Shampoo is a clarifying shampoo that gently and effectively removes the residual buildup of chlorine and environmental pollutants while leaving the hair healthy and with plenty of sheen. And you all will notice that I'm detangling her hair throughout the shampoo process using my small heat-resistant detangling paddle brush. I love using the smaller brush at the shampoo bowl because it gives me more control, especially at the roots and where the hair is more delicate. Detangling while the hair is saturated and coated with shampoo allows the brush to glide through effortlessly and helping to minimize breakage and prevent unnecessary shedding instead of waiting until after the shampoo. I'm working through any tangles now so that the hair stays smooth, manageable, and prepped for the next step. And this also helps distribute the product evenly from the roots to the ends, so every strand is getting cleansed properly while staying detangled at the same time. Next, I'm going in with the Rosemary Carbon Shampoo, and this is where we start focusing on scalp stimulation and overall hair health. The shampoo is formulated with ingredients that help support circulation and promote a healthier scalp environment. It also contains DHT blockers, which are important because DHT is one of the leading contributors to thinning and hair loss. So we're not just cleansing, we're treating the scalp at the same time. The Rosemary Carbon Shampoo is infused with sea moss, honey, and avocado oil. The shampoo is sulfate-free, so it gently cleanses the hair without stripping essential moisture. It exfoliates and stimulates the scalp. It has DHT blockers to help aid against thinning hair. And it also has lemongrass, and lemongrass has antifungal properties that can help heal scalp inflammation and relieve itchiness. It adds volume and hydration to fine, thin hair, and it strengthens follicles, which may prevent hair loss. And now I will be finishing with the Sea Moss Fusion Shampoo, which is one of my favorites, especially for clients with color-treated hair. This shampoo has color-protecting technology, so it helps preserve the integrity of her color while still delivering moisture and nourishment. Color-treated hair tends to be more vulnerable to dryness, so using a shampoo that both protects and hydrates is key. The Sea Moss Fusion Shampoo is sulfate-free. It is infused with sea moss, honey, and avocado oil. The shampoo has color-protecting technology. The shampoo repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. It promotes healthy hair growth, minimizes frizz, and it also has DHT blockers to prevent and help with thinning hair. And just some quick education. DHT is a hormone derived from testosterone that can shrink the hair follicle over time, leading to thinning and hair loss. So using products with DHT blockers helps support a healthier scalp and stronger hair growth. Now we're moving into the hydration treatment, and I will be starting at the scalp with the Rosemary Stimulating Spray. This is going to energize the scalp. It supports circulation and creates a perfect foundation for healthy hair growth while she's in this protective style. Then I will be layering the Rosemary Carbon Conditioner with the Sea Moss Fusion Conditioner. And this combination is powerful because we're addressing both strength and moisture at the same time. The Rosemary Carbon Conditioner focuses on strengthening and scalp health, while the Sea Moss Fusion Conditioner is all about deep hydration and softness. And this is exactly what her hair needs, especially being color treated, because hydration is what's going to keep her hair from becoming brittle while she's in her style. And after this step, her hair and scalp are going to feel completely different, clean, balanced, hydrated, and prepped for a style that can truly last. So now we're moving into the styling phase. She did sit under the hydration machine for about 20 minutes. So her hair is now fully prepped, soft, moisturized, and ready to hold a long-lasting style. And I'm starting off with the coconut milk leave-in conditioner just to maintain that moisture and keep the hair soft and manageable while it's in this style. And then I went in with the Sea Moss curl pudding to lock in that extra hydration and give the hair a soft, flexible hold so it doesn't dry out over time. And to create her comb twist, I'm using the Honey Almond Styling Foam. This foam gives the perfect balance of hold and definition without making the hair feel stiff. It helps the twist set faster and stay neat. And now for this style, I'm not doing any clean part or defined partings. I'm doing more of free parting technique, just grabbing sections of the hair as I go. This gives the style a softer, more natural look, and it also grows out a lot better over time, which is exactly what we want for a style that needs to last a few weeks. And everything about this process is focused on longevity, keeping her hair hydrated, defined, and low maintenance for as long as possible. And you guys, maintenance at home is just as important as what I'm doing in the salon. So this client, she will be using the S3 spray to keep her hair hydrated, and it adds shine and helps control frizz throughout the life of the style. And for her scalp, she'll be using the Rosemary Stimulating Spray, and this can be used daily when the hair is in a natural style like this. It helps keep the scalp feeling fresh, it supports circulation, and helps prevent odor, especially if you're someone who works out or sweats. But if you're wearing like a silk press or any like straight style, you do not want to use this daily because it is a water-based product and it can cause the hair to revert. So this is best used for textured or protective styles like this one. And she'll also be using the Rosemary Mint Scalp Therapy, which is great for keeping the scalp nourished, balanced, and comfortable while her hair is in this style. And that combination is what's going to help her get the most out of the style, keeping it looking good, feeling fresh, and lasting as long as possible. So now that I'm finished setting her hair, she will be sitting under the dryer for about 15 minutes to allow the twist to fully set. And before she goes under the dryer, I'm going in with the S3 spray, and this is going to add a beautiful shine, help lock in moisture, and control any frizz while the hair is still drying. It also helps seal everything in, so once the hair is fully dry, the twists come out defined, soft, and long lasting. And if you guys enjoyed this transformation, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to book your healthy hair journey with me, or if you just simply want to purchase the products that I use, please visit my website, mahoganyjames.net. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Basically, he taught me how to order my drinks appropriately.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't goes to Starbucks. Yeah, I'm not a Starbucks.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do at home.
Do you drink tea also?
No. Well, you know what? Sometimes. But tea is more in the winter for me. But I used to do Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
But I stopped with Dunkin' Donuts.
She said, oh, yeah.
My niece worked there for quite some time, and the story that she told me about the machines, how they don't clean them.
No.
Yeah, I decided I didn't want to.
Nobody cleans their machine.
I think Starbucks does.
Oh, you're saying Dunkin' doesn't? Yeah, that's possible because there's never the ice cream machine at McDonald's either. So
yeah, I think Starbucks. I think they're more sanitary than Dunkin' Donuts.
I love that place. I tried to wean myself off.
Have you had that coconut? What can you do? I want the latte with the espresso in it. He's like, Mom,
no. Let me look. I need a grande. Listen, grande. 360 because that's extra hot.
See, that's how I want to order.
Pistachio latte.
You
foam.
You like the pistachio?
Oh my God, I love the pistachio.
So where do you get the 360? Like, what does that mean?
360 degrees, so it's hot, extra hot.
Extra hot.
Yeah.
Why don't you just say hot?
No, because it's got to be 360. That's